Yes, so my correct better people, I throw a salute to give Vona. This one na Tori Wey Dey boss brain inside this TV. And this story, I no go talk am alone, but make una no forget say na me be Don Shanti, the world best inspirational hype man. And I get with me here one of my manchi with Imora Onyaregu. Honorable one. Honorable, you are welcome.
Yes. The world best inspirational hype man.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Na me they call with Moral, aka Onyaregu, the magic finger.
Yeah.
And the honorable one, honorable representing all the bachelors association.
Okay.
I'm the mouthpiece of bachelors association.
Okay, honorable, based on the matter we dey for table now, we be say na forming. We be say women they too dey form. What you get to put on top this matter? Make you come out on top of this matter. We concerning forming.
You know, say this forming. We not be only girls they form, even some boys.
Yes, but they much.
But they too much. They much.
For girls, but yes,
this forming remember me. One day we be say for our street.
Okay.
Then they fight. You know, boys, the key boys, boys, they, you know, that fight started from around the afternoon time to the evening times.
No be smart, you know.
Everybody come close, the whole shop come close. I come there one street way near that our street, and the one fine girl just they come back from work.
Okay.
I come one stop the girl, one come give am expo. Say, make she don't follow that place. Make she follow the other street they go. Let's get. As I say, excuse me, hello, excuse me, excuse me. I try, babe. Then one day, she didn't even want my talk.
Person wey want
she too say maybe they among Rasulam or that kind of thing. To the end, the following day, I come here say they beat that girl and they collected her phone.
Oh,
who know whether the girl was tampered in the case of rape?
Because you know they there. If it happen,
she no go talk.
And if to say she calm down, listening to you, this thing for no happen.
She for no enter the
okay,
temptation.
this one now when you talk, I ain't can't even bring me. Make I tell you the one wey be say experience. This thing na work. One company wey be say we say make we go find work. Oh no. As we reach there, we see one gate man wey be say if you dey pass, he go tell you come write your name. Come write your name. That's so people they write. Until reach one girl turn, that's so the girl they para. For waiting, why should I put my name? Why I go write my name? I beg you show me where they do interview. Now so the gate man no talk. Allow her. She enter, sit down. Before you know wetin dey happen, now so they come meet us say, you know wetin happen now? Say they won't come call the CEO, make it come out. My brother, the CEO can't come out. The CEO na that man wey dey for that gate.
The way they forget him.
I said, na him be the CEO. Now you suppose don't know wetin go happen next. And the CEO come talk say, you people are 8 and I've selected my 7. The only remaining person should go home. Who you think say we go home? Now the same girl where they form, where they shout for them.
Say she want to do interview. You don't know say na physical interview. Say the
now so you walk am out. You don't miss the job opportunity, my brother.
This for me. This okay. It be like my guy where they for outside. This guy na my childhood friend.
Okay.
This guy they find a girl where she be say he want marry. He don't tire for this for me. Now 5 years waiting there for Europe. And the guy they tell me say he want marry with Moral honorable make I find a better wife because I am entitled to and I move around.
You are good in that.
I move around to different locations.
Oh no.
I say no. I cannot find you a wife because if you there for that place where you there, where boy you land. The Ojibo way the chook they make maru.
Where are you there?
I am not there to show you touch. So you have to come down here and they make a wife. Of course. This guy obeyed me and came back. You know, I tell and say if you want get correct babe, just discard yourself. Say maybe you know be big boy.
Yeah.
No they carry card, you know.
So you go feel fine.
So that you go feel fine person be say you love you. Oh, but this boy listening to me and the interstate me and them. If we see Akara, we go jump.
As on the local level.
If we see mineral, palm wine, we go just drink. That's how this is my guy. See one fine girl.
You don't catch him. Wife.
Oh, my that girl fine. If you no be say no be that my guy, I no go lie.
Oh no.
You know, you don't joke with us. We honor them. When it comes to physical battle.
Your honor.
So along the line, he meets the girl. Normally they exchange contact, you know. So the guy was like, okay, make he invite the girl, make they hang out, have a discussion,
make they know themselves.
Because the boy won't go like make him tell the girl the full mind, the girl they form. If he chat the girl for WhatsApp, the girl no go reply. Why the girl they watch her status for WhatsApp?
Monitoring spirit.
At the end, see how God work.
Okay.
See how God work. The boy can't find another girl in the same estate, in the same street. The girl now come rapport with the boy. Immediately, no reach 2 weeks, the boy come with introduction.
Everything palash.
Introduction, they don't put wedding. Before you know it, they don't the wed. Now when that in friend they come see her, now the day of wedding, he no say na the best friend of that my guy babe wey him wan marry. The girl come, you see the guy, the girl wan faint.
Wait, the one wey dey form na the friend of the new one wey.
I'm telling you, the girl wan faint. They come dey hold the girl wan die. He no say na the boy,
because
they come like play. You dey form. You no know whether na prayer wey don dey pray for 30 years. Na him God wan answer. You dey form.
Your honor, your honor. I say this forming don take a lot of things out from these girls dem, but they no know.
Yes.
And they still dey form. Now make we even dey talk about normal lovers who marry. Now they happen inside marriage.
Inside the marriage.
Inside people wey don marry dey together, e dey happen. This one I witness am. Now one of my guy wey be say I know, when this guy he do okay, money dey come, everybody wey dey around and dey eat. Na so my guy go marry. As he marry this babe, they palash the day. Now after I marry this girl, everything scatter, my brother. Things no dey move well again. Things na there the forming come. The woman wey marry come dey show am another side. Forming come start. He go give her, he go drop 2,000 if he dey go out. Come back. The girl no go cook, no go use the money do anything. If the guy talk, you know wetin he go tell am? The time say enter kitchen go cook. Because of say nothing dey, forming don come. Now you know end there now. See wetin this forming come dey bring. Now you can't make this guy they think positive, negative. I mean, you can't think negative. You know the negative when they think. Imagine wetin the guy they tell me now. Say as him be now. Any in the fine way we be say that girl go die in wife, go take commit any adultery or catch am with the woman, so him go divorce am. The guy know they think this thing before now. When that forming come now, the guy come there. So you see,
if they find me say him go catch the girl,
make him divorce am. Even him tell me say if him fit set the girl, the wife up, say trap. Now you see what in this thing they go now. Now the same forming now need to this, because if to say they still the groove as they take be when you understand, you no go they think those kind.
Okay, now make I ask you now.
Ask me, honor.
What do you think that would be the reason of all this? Maybe somebody just like you, if they form for as wait you think say waiting be the reason? Na love or like, or as what is you or your own? What do you think say na him fit be the reason why this thing you go love person finish, you go dey form unnecessary?
Honor. I like this question wey ask. Na me suppose ask you this question, but as it don't come from you as a man of timber and caliber.
Yes.
Now see wetin me I reason for my own side. Be say some of these girls or this woman wey you see, they no love you. Now what you they do they like, no worry, I go explain that for you.
Okay.
You get one wey beside get, they come visit me normal, they come on a regular basis. Me I think say he love me, you know that kind of thing. Now one day wey beside I want touch her, so she push me. As she push me, I can't see person when they find you almost every day waiting happen. And I come, know what she tell me? Say me I no go there, say she no love me. Say na my work based on say I be entertainer.
You did entertainment.
Now she like. Say apart from that, now him be that one. That means him get person.
Another person for back.
So my own not just because of my work. So
okay.
Now waiting me, I listen from my own side.
Okay, me.
Now you wait if this.
Me I can't the reason say because waiting fee cause this forming when a girl go they form for you where you like. If he be say maybe the girl now him they give you,
Abi?
And if they give you based on say make you the Colombian well.
And you are not doing your job. Your honor.
You are not doing your job
I
well.
feel now, honorable them. I feel
if he say he go they collect from honorable people like us. You know, he go they give you. They make you the dress fine like this.
Yeah.
You know, when it comes to your work, you go find the.
No.
You go the phone for you.
You know that one another serious point. Oh, now another serious point.
And again, wait till I think if you say, you know, when it comes to this thing where they call love, this thing where they call love, it deep. Well. It's deeper than ocean. A girl now feel love you based on the way where you they dress,
bam,
or maybe the way where you they speak, or maybe the thing that is in you. But when it comes to love, there is difference between like and love.
But they don't know.
When it comes to love, see, love no they hide.
No, they hide.
Any girl will love you, you self, your spirit will tell you say this girl love you.
Of course.
You don't need to tell you don't need to ask prophet.
You go know.
You know, when a girl begin come dey form, any girl will love you not supposed to dey form.
You know supposed to form. You know supposed to form. But when they pay me, I say the forming day everywhere. Both normal love, relationship, go even
the one where you want help.
Now that one be the
I have seen in a scenario whereby a girl dey waka for road, she need help. You know, she need a lift.
Yeah.
We can't carry motor, say, okay, we just lift her. We don't carry anything for mine.
Nah, they just say.
And the motor we carry not be even tinted. Talk more so you know go see person inside. We just want to because that distance is far. Okay, but okay, hoping, let's drop you to your nearest destination. And what they say, can we help you? Can we just give you a lift? No. Where did you dey form?
See,
you know get keke na pepper. Your papa no build house for Lekki. You need help, and you need help on top of help. Your account no fit,
and you are doing. Oh no, I say if we continue this matter, night go come go. But you get one question why I want ask you on.
Okay.
Sure, you know say if marriage get expiring, for the certificate say expiring date dey there.
Like motor license expiring. Some people go allow am make the thing expire. They no go renew am.
you know. You say some people, but
after one expire, bye.
You say some people go. Now I tell you, almost everybody. You saw my correct better people. Now here we go take one match break. Waka come off for studio, go find something chiku for mouth. For return, me and the honorable,
yes,
we go summon the next informant and some informant we still on top our table.
Yes, so my people, God go bless on anywhere we on they hear us like this. From Kafanchan, from Sokoto and Kaduna, from Imo, from Zamfara. God go bless on. See, for this matter will be formings. Men they form, ladies they form, boys they form, everybody they package they form. See, one thing in life is that you don't need to form because a closed mouth is a closed destiny.
Of course.
You don't know person where they look you, where want help you. You understand? Bring your coat down. Bring it down. We may be honorable member. We always bring our coat down to get what we are looking for.
Of course.
You know? So now here we go match break. You know, keep listening. Des TV, number one.
Very, very important.
In Africa and the whole world. Now there you go hear all the whole Tori gist, all the whole Tori gist where they happen inside our Nigeria, inside Africa and the whole world. You know. Now for there you go hear the truth because we they talk the truth.
Reality
take happen
as it be.
Yes. And again, we they go for the next topic.
Yes, we be say now you need to join us next week. This one now Western culture. And in Africa, that is the effect where we say Western culture.
It don't cause us
for this Africa. And
yes.
This story, it go hot. So make you no miss out. Make sure say you join us for Des TV. In short, make you go click that button, subscribe, put the notification, so you go take join us the year as you take the.
Now there I go hear kasara wey dey because so many things wey Oyibo don introduce come, so many things wey we dey imitate from Oyibo
come turn us to mad people.
He don dey cause kasara. So I have to talk it as honorable member
of course
representing the cultural association.
very important.
Yes,
very important.
Now for here we go match break.
Yes.
We go put something for belle because me na bush meat I dey chop with fresh palm wine. I no be wine, I no be shawarma and the pizza pikin. I be mama pikin, I no be mommy pikin. So watch us in the next episode where they come. Now there we go to Tori you.
No miss am.
God bless you. Keep watching Des TV.
We love you.
Now me dey talk with Moral Onyaregu, aka Honorable, with the professor.
Now maybe don't shine to the world the best, inspiration and hype man. God bless you.
Thank you.